Deazy, we're back! Back to that lovely river! And I'm gonna walk right across without being washed off. You bet! I've learned how to walk properly.
Oh yeah, Luigi. You do what you can. You're right. You are the one. Yeah, lovely, refreshing. Now we go to the forest, aren't we?
Yeah.
That was a black dog, wasn't it?
Yeah, came out of nowhere. Ave Maria, Ave Maria, adios amigo, la vida mappe. Oh, Master, we're singing a song.
Whoa, the river's up. That's for sure. Not as high as last time, but pretty good. That should make pretty good swimming. We're cooling off lots of cool water. That's just what I need. Yeah.
Splonky donkey wonky.
The next day.
Now you wonder what we're looking at, eh? Yeah, there's somebody on the other side of Tomatoes Creek doing the bit of fishing. You won't believe it.
Well, look over, Master. Look over to the other side and you see it. There's a person fishing, eh?
Yeah, this used to be my island. My island. Now it belongs to Luigi as well. Very close to the mainland today. Bit of a low tide. Bit of a sand build up. Well, it's still mine. I claim it as Lord Deazy from the Harbour Shack. Yeah, do a bit of digging and a bit of roll, you know, the usual thing when you have neck subluxation. While Louis is digging over there, shaking his water off. Yeah, it is a bit low.
God almighty, that is a big UFO. I'll piss on it. Can't fly anymore. Ditched in the sea, stranded.